How to delete Roblox in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can uninstall or remove Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to open up your settings. After you open up your settings, on the left sidebar, you'll find the apps section. Tap on apps, and after you tap on apps, there you will see different options. What you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to this option called installed apps. From here, you will be able to uninstall and manage the installed apps on your PC. After you're here, just let it load. And what you can do is simply search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox, you'll find Roblox right here. All you then have to do to uninstall this is tap on the three dots right beside Roblox and tap on uninstall. After you tap on uninstall, your Roblox will get uninstalled automatically, and that's basically it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.